Hi everyone, and welcome to your first Dawn Patrol session. These sessions are designed so that you can wake up early and practice yoga. See it as a morning stretch. See it as an opportunity to move together. 10 minutes or less is our goal. Each morning, 5 days a week. Going to give you the weekends off so that you can start your year in a really strong way. Now, maybe you're not doing this in the morning, and that's totally fine. Whenever your body needs these practices, they're going to be loaded for you on YouTube to do whenever you'd like to. Let's start seated this morning. Close your eyes and relax your shoulders with me. Sit up tall as you rest your hands in your lap and just focus on finding a really quiet energy. How can we bring ourselves into a quiet space that feels welcoming, inviting, and ready to take on whatever's in front of us? As you sit tall, maybe one ear falls to one shoulder. Maybe the chin from there rolls to the chest. And then the opposing ear falls to the other shoulder. And we repeat, chin to chest, ear to shoulder. One last time, roll it down through center and over. Good. Land in the center, tuck the chin, pull the back of the neck to an imaginary object behind you. And then inhale, blink your eyes open, lift your gaze, sweep your arms up into the air. We'll start with a nice seated lateral stretch, so try to awaken the side of our body. So invite your friend that doesn't like yoga. Why? It's 10 minutes or less. Invite your friends or your family that doesn't understand stretching and the benefits. Invite your partner that watches you do an hour class and say, hey, it's only less than 10. Reach up and over. Good. One more time. Come all the way up with me. Reach up and over. Good. Sit up tall. Take your hands to your knees. Draw some circles with your belly. Each day we'll just move and explore the body in a different way. Nothing fancy. This is not your workout. Don't feel like you're going to sweat and you have to get ready for it. Other way. Allow yourself instead to use it as your morning walk. Maybe add it to your walk. Your morning meditation routine. Maybe your coffee's right next to you. As you're enjoying your coffee, you're just moving with me. Transition to your hands and your knees. And then spread your fingers. Inhale, cow, open up the heart. Maybe you're on your bedroom floor. Maybe you're outside on your porch. Exhale, tuck your chin. No mat is even needed unless you want it. Inhale. Obviously, we have a hard surface. It feels better. Good. Exhale, tuck. Sit back on your heels if possible. If not, put a big old pillow right between your hamstrings and your calves and then sit back. Inhale your arms forward. Interlace your fingers. Flip your palms forward. Reach up. Good. Exhale, hands come down. Nice. Now interlace your fingers and just draw some circles. Wake it up. Again, fluidity in the body. We just want it to move. We want ourselves to say aha and attack the day. Good. Exhale your hands out in front of you. Extend your right leg back. All right. Exhale, you may not be able to see this clearly, but I'm going to plant my foot off my mat, so I'll move a little bit backwards just in case. And then I'm going to walk my hands towards the right leg. 3. Deep stretch here through the right inner thigh and groin. 2. Good. Exhale, return to center. Bring the knee down. Switcheroo, other side. Left leg extends out to the left. And then I'm going to pivot and walk slightly left. Good. 3. 2. 1. Bring it back through center. Kick that left leg straight back. Good. And then exhale, release. Walk the hands out in front of you. Exhale, child's pose. Inhale, cobra or up dog. Just kind of melt the pelvis. Good. Twice more. Pull the hips back. Little dynamic stretching. Melt the pelvis. Again, think about the concept of waking up the body in the morning. Just kind of that pre-day movement. And what's going to happen if you can incorporate this into the first 5 days of each week, right? Right before you start work. How does this feel? Shift forward, finding your cobra. So belly is soft, heart is open, thighs are down. Good. Exhale, try to go all the way flat. And then inhale, squeeze the elbows together. Come up one more time for me. Good. Exhale, press it back. Now, sit back on that pillow if you need to between hamstrings and calf muscles, or sit back. Inhale, arms up. Interlace the fingers again. Press up. Good. Exhale, release. Interlace those fingers. Draw circles. 3, 2, 1. Good. Exhale your hands out in front of you. Inhale, cow. So sway the spine. Exhale, cat tuck. Good. I'm going to move a little to my left. Right leg is going to go straight back and then out to the right. Walk your hands towards that leg. 3. Last time we're going to do this. 2. Get that really nice stretch. Exhale. 1. Bring it back. Switcheroo. Left leg. Walk left. Stretch. 3, 2. Good. 1. Bring that leg straight back. Reach. Good. Release. Walk the hips back to child's pose. Reach your arms forward. And again, those of you that do yoga a lot, you might be like, hey, this is easy peasy. That's great. Keep doing it. Let your body feel good. Those of you that are brand new, you might feel this a lot more. Inhale, dropping the belly. Good. Exhale, tap the booty back. Again, inhale, move forward, drop the belly. Exhale, pop the booty back. Last round, roll with me. Inhale, bring it through. Beautiful. Good. Exhale, lay flat. Go ahead and crisscross those forearms, one over the other. Bend your knees as your head comes down. Wag your feet out. Good. Release. Now, I'm not going to let you lay down because we got to keep moving. So you're going to inhale, press back up to seated. And this is where we close our practice. And if you're like, that's it, yeah, that's it. It's a short and sweet dawn patrol session. Come back to those seated lateral stretches, reach up and over. Good. I want you to get moving with your day. I want you to have plenty of time for you. I just want you to hit play and see if you can move with me 5 days of the week. All right, hands on your knees. Roll it around. Good. Roll it around. Reverse it. Good. Maybe you're still in your jammies. Maybe you got nothing on if that's how you sleep. Inhale, reach all the way up. Exhale, gather your hands to your heart. Namaste as your head bows forward. Beautiful work. Day 1 is complete, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 2. Thank you, guys.